next item is a Tirupugal, which literally means holy praise. Written by the 15th century poet saint Arunagirinathar, it is part of an anthology of Tamil religious songs dedicated to Lord Murugan. The Tirupugals are considered one of the central works of medieval Tamil literature, both for their poetic and musical qualities and for their religious, moral and philosophical content. This Tirupugal was sung by the poet in the court of King Prabhudadeva invoking Lord Murugan to appear in front of the king and his subjects and dance in front of them. The poet requests his lord, as Adishesha danced in the nether worlds, Mount Meru dances on the earth. In unison, Kali also dances. Alongside her, making her shiver and raising his leg up in competition, Shiva, who rides the bull, also dances. And next to him, his Bhutaganas and hosts also dance. Saraswati of the sweet voice dance, while Brahma, who sits on the lotus, also joins in the dance, as all the celestials and the moon dance along. O Muruga, your mother-in-law Lakshmi, who sits on the lotus, is dancing too, while your father-in-law Vishnu, the tall one who assumed the Vishwarupam, also dances. It is time for your peacock and you to dance and appear before me. Bhima, who never parted with his mace from his shoulder, shot a series of arrows at the large army of his mighty opponents, decimating them with the help of Krishna. The same Krishna's magical flute brought back herds of sobbing cows to Vrindavan. Alighting Arjuna's chariot, he blew the golden conch that resounded with victory. Krishna reclined as Vishnu on a serpent's bed on the Milky Ocean with the waves tossing about. And in his Vamana avataram, he measures the entire world with one foot. He is the great mystic with Garuda for a vehicle. And you, O Muruga, are the favorite nephew of this great Vishnu. Now referring to the appearance of the Lord in the king's court, the poet says, with fresh flowers adorning his chest, the great king Prabhudadeva of the Tiruvannamalai is ecstatic at your appearance. Your presence has made the king's heart dance with joy, O greatest of all gods. Tirupugal in Ragam Vrindavana Saranga, set to Chanda Talam, written by Arunagirinathar and choreographed by Gayatri Mahadevan. Performed by Dhriti, Harini, Kavya, Nikita and Kristha.
Take care.